In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete dashboards in HubSpot. Keeping your dashboards organized is really important, especially if you've been testing different reports or inheriting an account with a lot of old unused dashboards. Removing what you no longer need makes it much easier to focus on the data that actually matters. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in HubSpot and what to click so you can safely delete a dashboard. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Reporting. Depending on your portal, this might be grouped under a broader menu like Reports, but what you're looking for is the section where you can manage reporting and dashboards. Go ahead and click on Reporting to open that area. When the reporting section loads, you'll see several options related to analytics and reports. Here, you want to access your list of dashboards. Look for the tab or menu item labeled Dashboards and click on it. This will take you to a page that lists all the dashboards available in your account, including any that are private to you or shared with your team. On the Dashboards page, you'll see a table or list view of all dashboards. At the top of this list, there should be a control that says Manage Dashboards. This is where you can make changes to multiple dashboards, including renaming, changing access, or deleting them. Click on Manage Dashboards to open up the management view. Now find the specific dashboard you want to delete. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one, because deleting a dashboard will remove that layout from your account. When you've found it, look to the right-hand side of that row for a drop-down menu or button labeled Actions. Click on Actions to see the available options for that particular dashboard. In the Actions menu, choose the option that says Delete. HubSpot will not delete it immediately. Instead, it will show you a confirmation dialog to make sure you really want to remove this dashboard. In the confirmation window, you'll see a button labeled Delete Dashboard. Review the name of the dashboard one more time, and if you're sure this is the one you want to remove, click on Delete Dashboard to finalize the deletion. After a moment, the dashboard will be removed from your list, helping keep your HubSpot reporting space clean and organized.